Healthy-looking hair requires constant care and maintenance. Here are a few tips for healthy hair. 1. Wash hair frequently for oily hair and twice a week for normal frizzy hair. 2. Use a cleansing shampoo for the scalp and the roots. Avoid shampooing the entire length of the hair. 3. Use a conditioner after shampooing only to the tips of the hair. 4. Use a microfiber towel to absorb excess water and air dry the hair. 5. Avoid towel rubbing and heated hair dryers. 6. Protect your hair while swimming with a snug-fit swimming cap. 7. Deep condition twice a month for dry and frizzy hair. 8. Eat nutritious food rich in vitamins. 9. Protect your hair from the sun with a broad-rimmed hat or a scarf. For more information, visit www.epiderma.in or call us on 6364846162.